Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to create a realistic wet road effect in After Effects with just a few simple steps. Let's get started. By the way, if you want these exact shakes, just a reminder that AM Film Shake preset pack is linked in the description. It's the easiest way to make your edits look expensive with a quick drag and drop. First, duplicate your video layer and rename it Reflection to stay organized. Next, right-click the layer, go to Transform, and choose Flip Vertical. Now grab the rectangle tool and create a mask around the bottom of the car, similar to what you see in the video. Don't worry if the mask is not perfect at first, you can always adjust it later. Now click toggle switches / modes and change the reflection layer's blend mode to overlay. Finally, press F on your keyboard to reveal the mask feather property and increase it. This softens the edges of the mask, helping the reflection blend naturally into the road instead of ending with a hard edge. Now press T to reveal the opacity property and lower it slightly. Next, apply the directional blur effect to the reflection layer. Set the direction to 0 degrees. Now increase the blur length until the reflection looks natural. If you preview the video now, you may notice that the effect looks a little off because the mask is not following the movement of the footage. To fix this, go to the beginning of the layer, press M to reveal the mask path, and click the stopwatch to create a keyframe. Then move to the end of the layer and adjust the mask so it matches its position from the beginning. This keeps the reflection aligned with the road throughout the entire shot. Now the reflection follows the movement correctly, but you may notice another issue. In my case, the car looks a little too dark because the reflection layer and blur are affecting it. To fix that, duplicate the original bottom clip and move the duplicate above the reflection layer. Now rename the layer to Car Only. Next, select the Roto Brush tool. I am using the latest version of After Effects, where the Roto Brush has been renamed to the Quick Selection tool. It is more advanced than before, and it also includes the new Object Matte tool, which I will use to isolate the car. With the Object Matte tool selected, double-click the layer and simply click on the car. It will create a selection of the entire car with just one click. The selection may not be perfect, but that is completely normal. You can quickly refine it using the Quick Selection tool. Once you are happy with the result, click Freeze and wait for the process to finish. After it is complete, close the rotoscoping window. Now the car is no longer affected by the reflection layer, and we are left with a clean and realistic wet road effect. We can also create a smooth transition from a normal road to a wet road to make the effect more interesting. To do that, I will trim the beginning of the reflection layer. I want the wet road effect to start from this point, so I will hold Alt and press the opening bracket key to trim the beginning. To make the transition feel more dynamic, I will add a shake from the AM Film Shakes pack. You can get the pack from the link in the description below, or check out my shake tutorials here on the channel. Now let's preview the final result, and we're done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.